Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss filter function. So we also have filter option, but filter option is static. Function is dynamic. So you can extract data, you can filter data in a dynamic way by using this filter function. Now, I have some customers, products, quarterly data, and total sales here. Whatever customer I want, I filter, it should display that customer's products here. So equals to, I want Anton's data now. Filter, array, I select which data we want, Anton's data. But output should be product. So we should select output array. Output array is this, comma. Next argument, it is asking for include. Means here you should select filter array. So filter array, I want to filter customer. So I select customer column. Equals to what customer you want to filter. You should give it in double quotes. I want to filter Anton. If empty, suppose if you're not giving anything, it throws an error. In the place of error, if you want to give any alternative information, you can select this. If you find anything in square brackets in any function, it means that is an optional argument. If you want, you can use it. Otherwise, you can skip. For now, I'm not using that argument. I close bracket, enter. See, Anton data it is giving. If you want, you can filter it here and check. We got Alice Mutton 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we have 6 products here, same products we got here. So here we are extracting single column details. Now I want to show customer and product both. Equals to filter. Array, now I select output array should be customer and product, comma, include, what I have to filter, customer again, select, equals to Anton. This is not case sensitive, you can give it in uppercase or lowercase. So now it is extracting customer's name and product. So every time instead of changing this customer name manually like Anton or Bergs or Bolid, what I do is I create a data validation here. So for that we need unique values. I copy this data. I paste it somewhere at the end of the sheet and I remove duplicates. We have 78 customers here. Now here in data tab, here we have data validation and I select list. And which list you want? I'm selecting this entire list. Okay. Now I got a drop down here. I got a drop down. So now what I do, instead of typing it manually, I'll do it here. One, you can type it manually. Second way, you can select this cell. So first, let me select any data here. Now I change it to this cell value. Instead of typing it in double quotes, I select this cell. Enter. I got Bolid's data. If I change it to this, I got the data. Save, yeah, we got the data in a dynamic way. We got Anton data. In this way, you can select from the cell also. And suppose if I'm not selecting anything, I got cal's error, calci error. So what I do, we have optional argument. If there is any empty cell in the filters, what you want to display? Select customer. I got select customer. When I select any customer, it is giving that customer details. Suppose if you want entire table. So normally in VLOOKUP, by using VLOOKUP, you can extract only single value. Like even if the name is repeating for multiple times, it gives first occurrence only. So if you want all occurrences, what we do first, we sort data and we write a lengthy formula, combination of functions like a row function, countif function, offset function, combination of functions we write. But with filter function, with a single function, we got all details of this customer, all products of this customer. Suppose if you want entire table, we select the entire table. Now if you see here, I want total table of values which are total values which are greater than 2000 equals to filter. I want total table, so output array will be the entire table. Comma, include. Now I want to filter total column. So greater than 20. So I select total column greater than 2000. Sorry. Bracket close, enter. See, we got only greater than 2000 values here. And see, I selected header also. That is the reason header is repeating. So I want data from A2. And this is also should be from G2. Your arrays should start from same row. We got the value, entire table. We got customers, products, quarterly data, and total values which are greater than 2000. Now I want Anton and Berg's data, two customers' data. So here in Excel, in filter function, in the place of or, we give plus. Asterisk means and. Now, in that column, in customer column, if it is Anton or Bergs, it should filter and gives the data. So here we should use OR function. If you know logical functions, you can easily understand this. So whenever you want to extract data from same column, if I give Anton and Bergs, it will search for Anton and Bergs in the same cell. We don't have Anton and Bergs in the same cell. We have it in different rows. So in that cell, either it should be Anton or it should be Bergs. So either Anton or Bergs. So we use OR. OR means here we give plus equals to filter. I want customer and product. So I select two columns, comma. Now include. I give it in brackets because we need to give it for 2 times. Customer column equals to Anton. So you can see formula here in formula bar, bracket close, or means we give plus. Again I select same column equals to Bergs. And this also should be in brackets. Different units should be in different brackets. Close the bracket, enter. See, we got Anton Berg's data. It filtered both Anton and Berg's data. Now I want Anton's data, which total sales are greater than 500. I want only products or I want only total. We'll take the entire table otherwise. I'll copy the header. So, but I want only Anton data which total is greater than 500. So now we should use AND function. In A column, I want Anton, and in G column, I want greater than 500. So equals to filter. I select entire table. Comma. Include, first I'm opening bracket, see it in the formula bar. Column A equals to Anton. Bracket close. And means we give asterisk. Column G greater than 500. This also close it in brackets and close filter bracket also. Enter. So greater than 500 Anton, we have only 3 records. This way, however you want, you can filter. You can filter with single column, or you can show entire table. You can filter with multiple criteria. So this is the replacement of many functions in normal Excel versions. So instead of writing lengthy combinations, directly you can use filters, and whatever data you want, you can get that filtered data. And this is dynamic, as I said you, like with a single click, data will change. If you want to make it dynamic, you can create a drop down and you can make it dynamic. Otherwise, you can type it manually also. This is about filters, and hope you understood this concept, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.